there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today I'm going to be typing with my nails. I've received a lot of questions, believe it or not, on how do you type with long nails? How do you do this with nails? How do you do that with nails? And I don't really consider my nails long really anymore. I've seen a lot. I mean, I've always seen longer nails, but it seems like long nails are really popular right now. So I don't even consider my nails to be extremely long, but I thought it would still be a cool video to demonstrate typing with nails on, and then also testing my typing speed with my nails. I'm always trying to better my skill, and I'm always trying to improve in various areas of my life, as we all are. So I want to see how fast I can type now, and then I want to do another follow-up video, like maybe in a few weeks or maybe in a month, to see where my speed is at, down the line. So I am on typingtest.com. It's a website that kind of helps you practice typing, and it also tests your current typing speed. So you can choose from a 1-minute test, 2-minute test, 3-minute test, 4-minute test, and a 5-minute test. I think I'm going to do, maybe I should do a 1-minute test. And then you can kind of choose like which, you can kind of choose like what you want to type. So I can choose from a fable, a baseball type of story, or it says rules of baseball, space cowboys, tigers in the wild, They're Wonderful, a Wizard of Oz, zebra, Africa's striped horse, or the enchanted typewriter. And then you can also choose what language you want to type in. So this is a really good website to use. Sometimes I do compete with my kids on this website because they're very competitive. And if you can put, whatever you want your kids to learn in a game format, a lot of times it kind of sticks up here. They're able to retain it a little bit better from my experience working with my kids. So if you are wanting to help your children type faster, then I recommend using this website. There's a lot of other websites out there that you can use too. And then if you're looking at, bettering your typing skills and your speed as well, I would recommend trying this too. I mean, you're never too old to learn. So if you are interested in this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. I do want to say this, you're not going to be able to see the full screen and also me typing. So I thought it would be better for the video for you to see me typing versus the screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 1-minute test, and then I'm going to turn the phone or the camera on my phone toward the computer screen. That way you can kind of see my results. And I think I'm going to take it maybe twice. So this will kind of be like a warm up for me. And then I'll take it again to see kind of what my average is. So I'm going to choose, which story should I choose? Should I do a fable, rules of baseball, the enchanted typewriter, space cowboys? I'm just going to do rules of baseball. Okay. Start typing test. Now this computer is like, okay, let me stop talking for a second and see if I can type faster that way. I think because I know I'm being recorded, I'm having such a hard time. Oh, okay. Okay, so it also, it doesn't just test your speed. I'm done. I'm going to show you the screen in just a second, but it doesn't just test your speed, but it also tests the errors that you make. So this is what it shows. So it shows that I am at 52 words per minute. I have 0 errors because I was able to correct them while I was typing. I'm fluent, so it shows you kind of like a graph here of, you know, where you're at. If you're considered slow, average, fluent, fast, or pro. We definitely want to get to pro, so I'm going to keep practicing, but let's go ahead and take another test. Okay, so I'm going to try a different story this time and see how that goes. Okay, I'm going to do retake test. So the first test was at 52. So let's see what this one will be. Should I do the same one? No, I'm going to do something different. What about tigers in the wild? Let's try that. Okay. I hope I get further than 52. But I don't know if I showed you what my nails look like. This is the length of my nails right now, and they're curved. When I used to work in different call centers and different offices, I had pretty long nails too, or they were around this length, well, probably a little longer. And I would get the question constantly, like, how do you type? So if you work with anyone with longer nails or with nails on in general, and you're like, how? It's simple to do. I don't want to say it's simple, but you learn, you know, you kind of get accommodated, or you accommodate your lifestyle kind of around your, I don't know how to explain it, but the nails grow on you. So you learn how to do your daily tasks with your nails on. It's kind of like you just adapt to having longer nails. So if you practice anything, you can do it. So I'm going to try tigers in the wild. We're going to start the test. I'm getting nervous again. I think it's because you're watching me. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, so this one I didn't do so well. I got 6 errors. My typing speed is 52 words per minute. But with the adjusted typing speed, because I got those errors, it bumped me down to 46. So my first test was actually better. So I'm kind of like, I'm not even fluent yet, according to this graph. I'm almost there, but I'm average. Let me show you. So around 46, 52 is my speed currently. I do want to still test my speed in a few weeks or in a month. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe now so that you can tune in when I do another typing test with my nails. And I'm sure in a few weeks or even in a month, my nails are going to be even longer. So wish me luck. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video and show you all where my speed is currently at and let you see that you definitely can type with nails on. You know, you just kind of learn to accommodate your daily task around your nails, you know, or any accessories or any additions that you want to add on. I mean, it's I don't want to say that it's not a skill that you have to learn, but you know, if it's something that you want, so if you're someone and you've been eyeing long nails for a while and you're like, I really want long nails, I'm just nervous that I'm not going to be able to do anything with them, I would just say go for it, you know, just try it out. It may be, some tasks may be a little harder to accomplish at first, but it's definitely something that you can learn to do. Just like me, like I'm going to continue to learn, you know, how to type and try to improve my typing speed. And if there's something that I want, I just learn how to, like I said, adjust and accommodate what it is I want into my lifestyle. So if you all have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.